Welcome to SouthFork Townhomes. Our A1 one-bedroom, one-bathroom townhome offers 775 square feet of living space, private entry, and at the end of your day you can pull right into your single attached garage. Recently renovated, your new home has been finished in a crisp, clean style. Cool gray tones, wide plank wood-inspired floors, and modern clean lines make this space easy to call home. Your new kitchen features a classic subway tile backsplash, white shaker-style cabinets, rich granite countertops, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, convenient USB outlets, and a breakfast bar. Great for entertainment or casual dining. The open layout allows for flexible living. In the bathroom, the little touches matter. Curved shower rod, ample counter space, and extra vanity storage will make getting ready in the morning a breeze. The bedroom is spacious and well laid out, perfect for furniture placement, allowing for a king-size bed and nightstands, has tons of natural light, and a generous closet. You will enjoy the everyday convenience of your in-home washer and dryer. Welcome home.